So Everton 0, Arsenal 1. Sean Dyche absolutely in the mud. Maybe next time, mate, eat some more cement for breakfast. We finally got a win at Goodison Park. Last time we got a win at Goodison Park, Wenger was the manager. Wayne Rooney played for Everton for the second time round. And Mesut Ozil scored. Yes, he went past Watford Gap and didn't get a nosebleed, people. We're going to get into the game. Big up to everybody who's watched the watch-along. Mad watch-along as always. The watch-along was actually better than the game. Let's just be real with it. But yeah, big up to everyone, man. Make sure you are subbing to me, liking the video, sharing the content around. Follow Lee Reacts, sub to Lee Reacts, over 20k, nearly 21k on there. So make sure you go and follow that channel. I'll be doing a watch along for AC Milan against Newcastle on Tuesday nights. So make sure you go and check that out, people. And yeah, let's get into it. We got a 1-0 to the Arsenal. We all salute to that. Cheers, guys. Victoria, Malaga, Cerveza. Beautiful. Cheers. And it weren't great, I can't lie. Obviously, the starting 11, Raya in goal. Funny clip in the second half. Sky Sports panned in on Ramsdale. He looked absolutely stressed. And I thought he did all right. He didn't really have a lot to do, the goalkeeper, did he? You know, it weren't like Everton were peppering shots at us. Came out and claimed a couple of balls. Kicked the ball out nicely a few times. Didn't really have a lot to do. Caught the shot that he did have straight down his throat. But other than that, he didn't have anything to do. We obviously dropped Kai Havertz. Yes, come on. We dropped Kai Havertz. Fabio Vieira, I thought he did all right. I wouldn't say it was one of his greatest performances, but he was all right. I actually thought he did pretty well. And yeah, it weren't easy. We lost Martinelli. It looks like he's done his hamstring. So it looks like he could potentially be out for what, 4 to 6 weeks maybe, which is a massive blow. But having said that, the replacement that I keep telling everybody is our best player. Oh, is he your best player? Because he is. He might not be the most consistent. He might not be the most important, but he's our best player. Left foot and right foot. Which foot is he? The guy's cold with both. He's got a left-footed banger today. His goal for Belgium the other night, dribbling around everyone, right foot banger. The guy is so sick. It is mad. Yeah, and I love this geezer, and I'm gutted he's not started enough games for us. Because I think if we had started with him a lot more last season, we might have actually run Man City a lot closer. Yeah, and then this season, he's only started one game and he got hooked at half time. Today he came on, he made the difference. It was a very scrappy game. It was a game that we were falling into their trap. We were falling into Everton's game plan of just, you know, battering us and making it physical and making the game hard work, bitty, stop, start. And we kind of fell into the trap. There was no, what's the word I'm looking for, urgency. It was almost like sideways and backwards, running out of ideas. We put some great balls into the box at times. Fabio Vieira put a lovely cross, literally 3 yards out from goal. Where's Eddie? Where was he? Ben White put one 3 yards out from the goal, straight across goal. Where's Eddie? Like, that guy, man, that guy, we're trying to catch and overtake Manchester City. Would he get in Man City's squad? He wouldn't, would he? So on that basis alone, he shouldn't be it, because we're trying to overtake this team and we have him. And listen, at this point, I ain't even blaming him. I'm blaming the manager who keeps picking him. And I'm hoping next week, when we play PSV and then we play Tottenham, I don't want to see him. Do not want to see him. Put Jesus in the team, mate. Put him in the team. And yeah, keep Kai Havertz on the bench. I thought that Saka was poor again today. Like, he got kicked. Should have been a yellow card. He didn't get booked, the fella at left back. I can't remember his name. Number 19. They're rerunning the game. So if I see his name on the back of his shirt in a second, I'll see it. But I know I'll obviously, I can't remember his name. But he got kicked. And after that, I know he got an assist for Trossard's goal. But he was poor, man. So poor. And it was almost like looking at his face. It was almost like he knows he's not playing at 100. Whether that be through injury, whether that be through tiredness, whether that just be he's off his game. But he's not had a great start to the season. Yeah, he didn't have a great end to the season either. And for the last, 2 months of last season, and for the first month of this season, he's not been good. He has not been good. Yeah, but he ended up getting the assist, so that give him a pass with most of our fans. On the opposite side, Martinelli scored a cracking goal, offside. Yeah, the angle on that offside, by the way. Why can't you just see it straight down the middle instead of diagonal like that? What's that all about? Like, all the money in the game, and you can't see it straight down like that. How about grab the picture and tilt it so we can see? Yeah, because from one angle we looked off, another angle we looked on. Just saying. I'm not one to cry about referees. That ref today was shocking. Yeah, that ref was poor. Very, very poor. But as for Martinelli, he scored a good goal, offside. Again, I don't think he had a good game. Yeah, he was trying, but running the ball out of play, won a corner here and there. I don't think he was good. And then he scores, and we're like, right, goal, and then it gets disallowed. Then after that, he runs off to the touchline, and he's holding his hamstring. Then he comes back on, then he's down within 30 seconds. And it's like, that's why I hate international break, people. That's why I hate international break. Yeah, stop-start football in the Premier League is pathetic. Just keep playing. Just keep playing. He's gone all the way out to play for Brazil. Comes back, does a hamstring. Yeah, it's crazy. He's going to be out for about 4 to 6 weeks. Yeah, and what winds me up as well, yeah, is like, we're going to see more of this because we've got another international break in a month. Got another 3 or 4 games, then we've got an international break again. Yeah, just scrap these internationals. As for midfield, Martin Odegaard today. Highlight of Martin Odegaard's game was face planting the Goodison turf. That was hilarious. Yeah, he was not good today, in my opinion. Yeah, all you Odegaard stands all cry about it. Oh, why you got an agenda? No, he weren't good today. Giving the ball away, getting bullied, getting nudged off the ball, falling on his face. Weren't good. Second half, he got a bit better, but I wouldn't say that was a great performance from Odegaard. He had one shot straight down the keeper's throat, but not for me. Declan Rice, I thought, did all right. I thought he played pretty well. I thought he was pretty decent. Yeah, pretty decent. Yeah, my man of the match for me is Trossard, though. But I'd say Declan Rice played pretty well. Fabio Vieira played pretty well. Gabriel and Saliba, they're rock solid as always. Ben White, decent again today. Zinchenko was decent at times. First 20 minutes of the game, he kept giving the ball away. But then after that, grew into the game, started crossing the ball, like getting up the pitch. But ultimately, it don't matter. We got the win. It doesn't matter who played good, who played bad. We got the win. We got the points on the board. We're 2 points behind City, which is cool. Which is cool. But the performance overall from that team, we need to learn how to break down a low block. Start taking pot shots, 30 yards, 20 yards. Might get a corner. As soon as you're taking the shot, your wingers are running in. Your strikers running in. You're getting the rebounds. You're getting the parries. You're getting the corner out of it. And you score off the corner, stuff like that. We are almost trying to walk the ball into the net at times. And that's all well and good in certain games. But against teams like Everton, when they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people behind the ball right now, as I'm looking at this pattern of play, ain't happening, mate. Ain't happening. I'm just about to watch Ben White. That's a great cross. Vieira shanked it. Yeah, that's why, again, it comes back to, if that was Erling Haaland, that's a goal. He heads it in. If that's Harry Kane, he scores. Vieira's trying to volley it. These are the fine margins that determine whether we win a title or don't. And unfortunately, the squad is pretty much the same as last year. The bench is definitely the same as last year. And yeah, I don't really see it. But listen, we move on to PSV. It's a game that we should win. Obviously, all the super fans and top gooners will be loving life. Oh, goosebumps. The Champions League anthem. Champions. Oh, goosebumps under the lights at the carpet. Weirdos. But there we go. It is what it is. And then we got the North London derby. Obviously, Tottenham won. 2 goals in stoppage time yesterday against relegation fodder as well. And they're getting a bit hyped. If they come to the Emirates and they play how they have been playing, we will batter them. Yeah, even though we ain't played well, we will absolutely hammer them. Yeah, they want to play that high line? You want to play on the edge of our box? Cool, no drama, no problema, mate. No drama, no problema. Yeah, we will absolutely spank them on the break. But we'll see. Yeah, they're all gassing up Ange Ball and this and that. They got extremely lucky that they scored 2 goals in stoppage time yesterday. Yes, on the balance of play, they probably should have won. But here's what it is. Yeah, the points are on the board. They're looking half decent. We're not looking great, but we've got the points on the board as well. So yeah, it's all teed up. All we've got to do now is beat PSV on Wednesday. I'll be doing a watch along for that, so make sure you come and tune in, people. But check out the fan cams from Kenny, Jez, Matty coming up, and then player ratings. I need to hurry up because I want to watch Kieran Tierney FC against Madrid, and we're out of it.